Hello, I'm Andy Dionysiou from Honda Power Products, and today I'd like to talk to you about Honda's autonomous robotic lawnmower, the Miimo. So this is available in three different models: the HRM 310 for your smaller lawn up to 1,500 square meters, to the larger unit, the HRM 3000, which will cover up to 4,000 square meters. So the unit is powered by a lithium-ion battery, which will go out and cut, and when the capacity runs low, it will automatically make its way back to the charging station, recharge, and then return to the cutting process. What I'll do now is I'll take you through some of the features and benefits of this model in the rest of the video. The docking station is powered by main supply. The actual unit is supplied by a lithium-ion battery system, and that capacity runs anywhere from 40 minutes to 90, depending on the model, and recharge times vary from 30 to 60 minutes. So depending on the size of your lawn, the machine will calculate how much cutting it needs to do to be able to get a complete finish and work its way around. So the machine will go out and cut, and once it reaches a certain minimum battery level, it'll return back using the guide wires around the perimeter of the garden, come back to the docking station, recharge itself, and then head back out to the cutting process. So the capacities for the machine vary, anything from 1,500 square meters to 4,000 square meters, depending on the model. Each Miimo is programmed using the keypad on the top of the unit. So this is used to set the machine up, set the parameters, and also how the machine operates. Each machine is individually pin coded to prevent any theft, or if the machine stops operating, that you need to re-enter to operate the machine. During the programming, certain parameters can be set, for example, starting points, cutting time, seasonalization, height adjustment, and also certain modes. So for example, if there's a really thick area of your lawn, you can set a spiral mode that will slowly cut in that area more regularly to be able to give it a much more even finish. Miimo will cut in both rain or shine, and this is done through the waterproofing system available on each. The machine uses a random cutting pattern and will work its way around the lawn, taking the very, very tiniest of cutting and feeding the mulch back into the lawn. This will allow for healthy growth and the nutrients from the grass to go back into the soil to keep a nice, lush and fertilized lawn. The unit can also cope with undulations and slopes of up to 24% or 45 degrees. So the machine will use a sensor to work its way up the lawn to cut, and then cut across and work its way back down. So I'll now demonstrate some of the safety features of the unit. So for example, if an obstacle is in place, it bumps into you and then turns around to go away. If the machine is lifted, the blade system disengages and the machine stops working. In order to reactivate it, you'll need to put the machine back down and enter the unique pin code into the unit. So I'll now demonstrate how Miimo cuts up a slope. So the yaw sensors in the unit allow the machine to cut up to 24 degrees or 45%. And as you can see, that's a fairly steep incline, and it'll work its way across the lawn and up and down as and when required. I'll now demonstrate how the Miimo operates in a situation where perhaps a rabbit hole or an undulation in the lawn causes one of the wheels to get stuck. So I'll now demonstrate how Miimo docks himself when it's due to be recharged. Thank you for listening. For more information, please contact your local authorised Honda dealer, or alternatively the honda.co.uk website. Thanks again. Bye-bye.